Okay guys, so today the plan is to go to Samudralingapur waterfalls, which is like from my place around 2.5 hours journey. So I will be taking you guys there. So stay tuned in this video. This is the first time I'm also going there, so I hope it will be good. So enjoy the ride guys. I just started. I'll add the view there, how it looks and all. I don't know if there is water there, the waterfalls currently, how few, what do you say, how much volume of water is there and all, I don't know. But I heard it is a scenic place, so I am going there. So stay along in the video so that you guys also can enjoy the ride. So I have another 1 hour guys to reach the waterfalls. So pretty nice. I didn't take any break till now. Continuing the ride and everything is intact. The roads are really nice. It's pretty beautiful roads. You can see in the video. Very nice actually. The roads are. And definitely I think a good ride. We have not seen the waterfalls till now. Yeah, but the ride, the road itself is pretty nice to drive around. Yeah, so Srinagar 2561. Oh my god, come on guys, subscribe, make this video reach at least 5,000 likes and 600 at least 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, at least you guys make that, then I'll definitely make a Srinagar video on bike for sure. Highway, right? I had to take a U-turn and then continue on this road. This if you see, there is a board BB paid Tubak and all it says. So we have to take this road is what Google Maps says. So I'm continuing my ride. Okay guys, in my route I found this lovely place. I just thought of taking a video. Looks pretty nice, right? Some kind of river. I don't know what river. Okay, let me cross that side. Pretty nice. Pretty good guys. Oh my god. You guys are able to see and enjoy. This is an off-road terrain, like there is no, what do you say, road and all, so we have to take this mud road is what it says, Google says. So for you guys, I am taking this road. Okay, this is a solo ride, but I'm still taking this risk for you guys. Okay, so hopefully this is worth the ride guys. So we are going to this place. So there is a stream of water there coming, and this seems to be a canal, which looks beautiful. So it says 7 minutes to our destination, so let's see how it looks. Uh, Hopefully it is worth our time. Area looks nice. See, pretty good, pretty awesome. A lot of cultivation throughout the area which I came. Right, I see a lot of cultivation actually of sugarcane, cotton, and then rice. So a lot of what do you say? Cultivation, the side of the state. So I parked my bike there, guys, and then I walked down from that route. Okay, so I came here to see this beautiful view. Pretty nice actually, pretty calming. See the way the water. Oh my God, pretty cool. It's very beautiful actually. Okay guys, there are fishes also here. I hope you guys could see, but lovely. There are some people there, I think, cooking and eating, and they're also catching fish.
After that wonderful ride through the jungles and through the urban roads, I reached the waterfall, that is Lingapur waterfall, which truly is Hyderabad hidden gem, I would say, guys. This is a waterfall which you can definitely visit, but if you visit in monsoon, it will be even better. I was very happy visiting it. I was able to enjoy the ride because it was so peaceful. The roads were so clean, and everything was so nice. I had some off-roading and all those adventures. After that, I reached this place, and it is a visual beauty. You can actually sit there and enjoy. However, I would say you should take some food and things with you if you're going with family. If you're alone, you can manage, but yeah, definitely with family get some stuff. But truly a wonderful place to visit, guys. I truly enjoyed it. I will come up with more such videos to support. Definitely we will do more such things. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe.